So this time we are gonna discuss about the very popular revolt of 14 July 1789 in France. As we have discussed in the previous sessions that the population growth was seen in France, and the food crisis was also there, which meant to be very difficult, and the economical growth was not being seen in France in this time. So let's discuss now. Now what was the scenario is the first and second state people decided to increase the taxes because they are not the taxpayers. The taxpayers are the third state. So it was easy for first and second state people, but the increasing the taxes was a difficult situation for third state people. And the main staple crop in France was bread, and the main staple food, they also increases the prices of that main staple food, which was very difficult as for third state they are not having they are not that rich, and they are not getting that much wages as per their work. So the hunger and hardship was seen in France. In this time period, many French philosophers tried their best to know to tell the people about this scenario, the situation, as the third state people do not know how to deal with this current situation, with this current subsistence crisis, economical crisis, how to deal. So many philosophers give their best. They introduced many books for common people to know about the crisis and to deal with this increase in tax. So the first philosopher was John Locke. He wrote the book Two Treatises of Government. So John Locke wrote the book Two Treatises of Government for French people, for common people, for the third state. Then second we have Jean-Jacques Rousseau. He wrote the Social Contract. He was also the very popular philosopher in France. And the third we have Montesquieu. He told that judiciary, executive power should be divided, and he wrote the book Spirit of Law. As this is the fact that France was the first country to take this step towards democracy. So this was the first step towards democracy, the judiciary and executive, which was the part in spirit of democracy. Now let us discuss about the 5 May 1789, as this was a very important time in France. And as we know, on 14 July 1789 people revolted in the palace, in the Bastille. It was a prison, the prison of Bastille, and they destroyed the whole prison, and destruction took place. So 5 May 1789. So 5 May 1789 was the time which was the main scenario that why on 14 July people revolted. So on this time the people of first and second state together decided to organize a meeting on the palace of Versailles. Versailles was the palace of king and queen, and the hall of Versailles they decided to meet up, and the meeting took place on increase in taxes, on the topic increase in taxes. And the first and second state people was 300, and third state people was 600 people. And there was no entry for farmer, woman and artisan, and mainly lower caste people who do not earn a lot. In third state, as we know that a doctor and other, landlord farmer was also coming, so they are only the people who can access to the meeting, but the farmer, woman, artisan was not allowed, artists were not allowed. And this people was not given seat on the meeting. No, now what it was called, State General Assembly. This assembly was called State General Assembly, and it was for it to increase taxes. And this assembly was last time done in 1614. Okay, and in this, but third state people know that when people of second state and third state will meet, they will increase the taxes. That's why they put the conversation of one man one vote. Okay, so it was, to do it quite fair, to do it quite, accessible to the people, they decided that one man one vote should be the philosophy to do this, to increase the taxes up. But the State General Assembly do not took their right, and they have introduced one state one vote. And as we all know that first and second state do not have to pay taxes, so they will definitely give the vote to increase in taxes, and suddenly that it's sure that they will have to increase the taxes. Now you must be thinking that the monarchy rule was there, so why this assembly took place? Like the monarch should order that the taxes are increased and you have to follow it. But in France, it was a rule that the taxes would be increased by the permission of three states, first, second, and third state, and it was called electoral Estate General. This election was called Estate General. So this was the rule, and the king has to follow this rule up. So he have decided to call the State General Assembly, but no fruitful decision took place. So this was all about